This is a test of the emergency alert system. If this was an actual emergency, instructions would be relayed for you to stay safe.
A national emergency message has been issued at the request of the United States government. At around 11 p.m. EST, drones installed by the Central Intelligence Agency reported Chinese contact with the American mainland. It is unclear what the Chinese will do now that they have made contact again, but you should prepare to take shelter if necessary, as China may attempt to shut down American operations for good.